What's up, folks? Get in here, man. We got something fresh off the skillet. This is the BenQ ScreenBar Plus reading lamp. This little contraption is actually very fly. Let's just get this thing out of the box real quick. Slide that off of there. Throw that over to the side. Won't be needing that. Yes, check that out. Look at this. Okay, so what do I want to play with first? Okay, so let's just take this out. This is the mount that goes on top of your monitor. It's got some good weight to it, man. This has got to be like 2 pounds right here, man. So it's got this weight and it's spring loaded. So this hangs off the back of your monitor, and I'm assuming the light goes in here. So let's just put this right here till we get ready for it. Then we have our USB connection. Matter of fact, let me just pull all of this out of the box. Get this out of here, get this out of the plastic. All right, nothing else in that box. All right, so now that we got all the components here, like I said, you got this spring-loaded mounting device right here. It's got some serious weight to it. It's gotta be like 2 pounds. It says BenQ right there, got a little branding right there. Then you got your switch. We'll get to that in just a moment. And let me look at this USB cable right here, because it looks like it's a little different than anything else I've seen. So, it splits into a Y. Okay, so you got this long flat cable, nice quality feel to it as well. So you got regular USB. This will plug into either your monitor or your computer or your dock station, whatever you got going on there. This is the power supply. And this actually plugs into the back of the screen bar right here. So let's take a look at this rotary switch right here. Man, this feels premium. It's got a good weight to it, so it's not gonna be sliding around on your desk. Nice rubberized padding on the bottom that keeps it from sliding. It's got an angular design, so it just pretty much leans towards you so you can actually access it well. You got the light sensor right there, and then can we pull that off? Let's take this little switch off. There we go. Kick that off to the side, and let's put this back on. All right, so you got your push button switch right here. You push it to turn it on. You have a brightness button right here and a color temperature button right here, and depending on which one you have it on, this little knob right here is actually going to control it. Last but not least, we have the screen bar itself. So right there you see your USB input right there. That is micro USB. Very, very quality design. All aluminum design. It feels very, very premium. And then you got a series of like a bunch of LEDs in there. That is a bunch of LEDs. This thing is gonna be bright, but we need to get this thing hooked up, man. It's such a premium device. I cannot wait to see how well it works. Let's go. Okay, first things first, let's get these two things clipped together. Just like such. Now you take the micro USB into this thing, plug it in just like that. Now you see how that spring-loaded mount just kind of clamps itself closed like that? So that's just gonna rest on the back of your TV and apply the right amount of pressure. Then you can actually adjust your light once you get it powered up. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, once you get it set up, it's very simple to use. Like I said, you can actually adjust the angle of the light. There's no glare on the screen as far as I can tell. It's a very comfortable light to use at night. Right now, I have it on its highest brightness and a very cool setting. So I'm gonna go through and scroll through the brightness settings. So right now I'm just spinning this little rotary dial right here, and now we are on the lowest setting. This is a very comfortable light, but this light is very cool and I like a warm light. So I'm gonna hit this little switch right here, bam. And then I can toggle through the warm light settings. Oh man, that is nice. All right, so that makes it a nice bright and warm reading light. But if I wanna go back over to the brightness in this warm setting, I can go ahead and just hit that little button and toggle back up. Now it feels like a nice cozy fire up in here, to be honest with you. And once again, it does have an ambient light sensor on here, so if I were to turn the lights on right now, the lights would adjust accordingly. I think this is a very great add-on to your setup, whatever you got going here. Plus it'll help save your eyeballs from staring at those bright screens in the middle of the night. Anyways, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews, and the BenQ light bar is all right with me. Look, before y'all get out of here, y'all go ahead and make sure y'all tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.